Chris from Petrol Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2015 Nissan Navara NP300 dual cab ute, stock reference number 3909. This shape runs from the 5th month 2015 and is the current shape. It has a YS23 DDTT 2.3 litre 4-cylinder twin turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed manual 4-wheel drive transmission. YS23 2.3 litre twin turbo diesel engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the left hand front with the chrome radiator grille, right hand headlight, right hand fog light, left hand fog light, left hand chrome power door mirror. Left rear door appears to have no damage. This vehicle is fitted with factory 16-inch alloy mags. The left rear has a good tyre. It's got a factory fitted alloy sports bar supplied with all bolts, brackets and fittings. Also a factory fitted tonneau cover soft type with all fittings to suit sports bar. Left tail light. It's got a chrome rear bumper. It does have one small dent in it. Factory fitted tow bar supplied with all bolts, brackets, loom. Tailgate has 3 small dents, spoiler type. Right tail light. Right rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with good tyre. Right rear door appears to have no damage. Right front door also appears to have no damage. Right hand side step, factory. Right front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. And a right hand power door mirror in chrome. With the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior. It's got a black cloth centre console lid, manual type console, 6-speed manual gear shifter, heated controls, factory single stack CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left sun visor, right sun visor, instrument cluster. Vehicle's done 117,000 kilometres and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Petrol Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.